Welcome to Spectrum. We deliver for your brand, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. We specialise in logistics, e-commerce and print management. Our staff offer a personalised service, becoming an extension of your team. Our recent investment in technology enables us to receive real-time orders from all major shopping carts, generate real-time reporting and offer a 24/7 ordering platform. Our 80,000 square foot warehouse in City West has over 12,500 pallet locations in a fully mapped, safe and secure environment. Scanning guns are used throughout our facility, giving you real-time, accurate stock information. E-commerce fulfillment is part of what we do. And yes, you need a special box and a bow, specially wrapped, maybe even some glitter. That is why we are here, to ensure your idea becomes a reality with as little hassle for you as possible. We are also the print management specialists. Your dedicated print manager will take the headache away from you and deliver a service that is seamless, efficient and adds value. Our in-house graphic designers will work with you to help create effective communication. Our QC expertise ensures all print is always of the highest possible standard, whether it's going to Mullingar or Melbourne. How do we work? It's simple. Your business becomes our business. Contact us today and let Spectrum deliver for your brand, big or small, nationally or internationally. Spectrum, delivering for your brand.